Now we started circle arrangement in the last class itself. Okay, now let's continue the circle arrangement. Now the first type will be all are facing center of the circle. This is very most important one. The first two are the most important ones. The third one, very rare case you will get, but that is also the important one as well. But most of the cases you will get the first type of arrangement. Okay, now, so I'll give you the clear idea about this. So this is the first pattern I am telling you now. So all are facing the center of the circle. So if he is facing center of the circle, for example, let's take this is person 1 and this is person 2. Okay, this is person 2 and this is person 3 and let's take this is person 4. Okay, now person 1 is facing center as well as north direction, and person 2 also facing center but he is facing south. Person 3 facing center but he faces east, and person 4 facing center and he faces west. Okay, now in the first case we know that if anybody faces center, we can assume that we are facing center, and the bottommost person is we are assuming ourselves. Okay, now here the person 1 is you, so this person is facing center as well as north, and this will be right side of him and this will be left side of him, and person 2 is facing south, so this will be left side of him and this will be right side of him, which is exactly opposite to us. And person 3 facing east, so this will be the left side and this will be the right side of him, and person 4, this will be the right side and this will be the left side. So what we can understand, when we observe clockwise and anti-clockwise, right is clockwise direction, left is anti-clockwise direction. Sorry, right is anti-clockwise direction, left is clockwise direction in this case. Okay, now when it comes to the second one, which is all are facing outside, so he is facing outside and he is facing outside. So let us take this is person 1, this is person 2 and this is person 4 and this is person 3. Okay, now here person 1 is facing center but he is facing south. Okay, in a second person facing not center, sorry, this is outside the center. Okay, person 2 are facing outside the center and he is faces north. Person 3 is faces outside the center, he faces west, and person 4 faces outside the center, he faces east. Now when we assume that right direction and the left direction, now here right is clockwise direction and the left is anti-clockwise direction. So today we are going to discuss few questions on facing center and few questions facing outside, and we'll also discuss this new model today. So today is the most important class because we are going to discuss these three concepts at once. We completed the basic concept of center of the circle, facing center of the circle. Now with that basics, we'll discuss few questions on the first one and few questions on the second one and few questions on the third one as well. Okay, so hope you remembered all these concepts. Now let's move to the questions. So first, as I said, draw the circle. Okay, now place the positions. Okay, instead of placing the persons first, place the positions. So if all are facing the center, and in the last class only I clearly said first person you should be placed at the bottom. This is first person 1 and this is person 2. So person 2, which means that position 2 should be opposite to position 1. So this is position 3 and this is position 4. How many are there? 8 are there. Okay, this is position 5 and this is position 6 and this is position 7 and this is position 8. Okay, so if you clearly observe this diagram, second should be opposite to the first one, fourth should be opposite to the third, 6 should be opposite to the 5, 8 should be opposite to 7. So this is how you need to solve. Okay, now let's start solving the question. First one says B is sitting between G and D. Now I am taking B here. B is sitting between D and G. So you can take D and G like this, or you can take G or D like this. So between means it can be left side or right side, but it should be immediate between. So B should be in the middle of D and G. So if you take D to the left side of B, G should be the right side of B. Okay. Now there are two possible cases. Now I'll go with another diagram, which is two possibility, which is second possibility. Okay. Now, so this is B. Now in the first case, I am taking G at the left. So I am taking the other possible case here. Okay. Now, so in the second possibility case, I am taking G and D. I am just checking which one is a correct one. Next, H is third to the left of B. Now, as B is sitting in the middle and B is facing center and facing north direction. If B is facing north direction, we can assume that we are B. So our left side will be B's left side. Our right side will be B's right side. Here it says H is third to the left. Now this is the left side of B. First left is D, second left is this position, and third left is this position. So H should be here. Okay, again there are two things here. H is third to the left of B and second to the right of A. Who is second to the right of A? Second to the right of A will be again H. So this complete statement is talking about only H. Now we are placing H, which is third to the left of B, and we need to place H is second to the right of A. Now, if H is second to the right of A, which is A is the subject here, because with A we are talking, H is second to the right of A, but we don't know the position of A. For that, I am just rewriting the statement. How do we rewrite the statement? A is something to H. Okay, A is something to H I am taking. So if A is something to H, what is that something? I'll go with that. So H is second to the right of A is as same as A is second, right will become left. So these 2 points are same. H is second to the right of A is as same as A is second to the left of H. Because we know the position of H, so I am making H is the object. If H is the object, then we can easily place it, because the questions are with respect to the object only. So A is second to the left of H. Now H is facing center, and we know that left is clockwise direction. So this is the clockwise direction and this is anti-clockwise direction, which is right side. So A is second to the left of H. So first left is this position and second left is this position. Now if you want, you can verify. H is second to the right of A. Yes. So this is the right side of A and this is the left side of A. So H is second to the right of A. So these two statements are same. H is second to the right of A is as same as A is second to the left of H. Okay, next. Up to this, the point is clear. Now I'll place H is here and A is here. I am taking from the first diagram. C is between A and G. See, C is between A and G means what? It can be ACG or GCA. Okay, ACG or GCA. For example, if I am assuming this is the diagram, C should be here. So there is no point of taking C here, because here it is already occupied by H. So we should not take C is here. Now I can take C is here. If I am taking C is here, G should be in this place. So this possibility won't come. Okay, now we will go with this place. So I can take C is here. So obviously G is here. As of now, this is the possibility diagram. Next, B and E are not sitting opposite to each other. Now we have two places empty here. So it says B and C are not sitting opposite. So obviously E should not come here. E should be in this place, and we left with A, B, C, D, E, F. So we didn't place F as of now. So this is the question. So the arrangement will be, if I am starting with F, the arrangement is clockwise direction. F, A, C, G, B, D, E, H. So that's the arrangement. Now when you observe the first question, who is third to the right of D? Who is third to the right of D? Now D is facing center. This is the right side of D. First right is B, second right is G, third right is C. So the answer for the question is, okay, answer for the question, for the first question is C. Next, H is between. Here the question doesn't say that second to the right or third to the right. Between means we can consider immediately between. So H is between E and F. H is between E and F. And who faces A? Who faces A? That is D. So first question answer is C, second question answer is E and F, and the third question answer is D. Okay, so this is how you need to solve. So 8 people are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you observe, most of the questions have 8 people, so which means that is the most important one. P is third to the right of W. Okay, so P sits third to the right of W. This is something talking about W. So I'm taking W at the bottom. So if I'm taking W at the bottom, P sits third to the right of W. So this is the right side of W. This is first right, and this is second right, and this will be the third right. So P should be here. P is third to the right of W, satisfied, and third to the left of Q. Who is third to the left of Q? Here P is the subject. So with P there are two statements. P sits third to the right of W, that is we placed, and P is third to the left of Q. Now when you observe this statement, P is third to the left of Q. We don't know the position of Q, so I am just reading the statement. So Q is third to the right of P. So these two are the same. Q is third to the right of P. Now we know that this is the right side of P, first right, second right, third right. So Q is here. So there are two things here. P is third to the right of W and third to the left of Q. So this is the left side of Q. Next, S sits second to the right of T. So as of now, there is no place for the T because we didn't place it. And V sits second to the left of R. Again, we didn't place R. Now I'm just checking. Is there any other statement talking about this W, Q, or T? T is not the neighbor of Q. See, T is not the neighbor. Neighbor means what? It should not be the left side and it should not be the right side of Q. So T is not right side of Q or not left side of Q. So T should not come here and T should not come here. So there are only three places, either T can come here or T can come here or T can come here. And when you observe this one, the second statement, S sits second to the right of T. Now, for example, if I'm taking T here, this is the right side of T. If I'm taking T here, this is the right side, and this place, the Q's place should goes to S. But that is not possible because Q is already occupied the place. Now, we should not take T there. Now, I can take T. No, I can't take T is here because the P place goes to S. So that is again a problem. So by observing this statement, we can understand that only one place for T, that is this. Okay, only one place we have for T, that is beside of P. Because when you observe the second statement, S is sits second to the right of T. So this is the right side of T, and this is first right, and this is the second right. So S is here. And the next one, V sits second to the left of R. Okay, and okay, next. While U is neither a neighbor of T nor W. So U is not here, it says, because it's not the neighbor of W. U is not here, and U possibility only this place. The possibility for U is only this place because U is neither a neighbor of T nor W. So U should not be in this place, U should not be in this place. So obviously U only one place, that is this. And the next one, V sits second to the left of R. Now there are only two places left. So if I'm taking R is here, this is the right side of R, and we should take V is here. If that is the case, V is second to the right of R. So it's not that V should be the left side of R. So V should be here and R should be here. So this is only the possible case. First question says, who sits second to the left of V? Who sits second to the left of V? Second to the left will be U. So the answer is C. Next, which of the following pairs has only one person sitting between them? Okay, now just check it. Between T and V, it should be only one person if you want to pick option A as the answer. Now check it. Between T and V, we have two people, and if you observe this side, we have four people. So this is not the answer. Next, between V and Q. Between V and Q, none of the persons are there, and if we consider this side, we have only five. We have five people. So this is not the answer. And what about W and P? And it says, which are the following pairs? Pair is nothing but W and P, two people. Now pair has only one person sitting between them. Now we are checking between these two alphabets where we have only one person. Now W and P, again we have two people here, so this is not the answer. Next R and P. Now R and P we have two people, we have one people here, no? So that is only the case. So D is the answer for this question. Next, who sits between U and P? Between U and P, who is sitting? S is sitting. So the answer is A. B is fourth to the right of G. Okay. Now I am taking this object first. I am taking this object first because B is fourth to the right of G. For G, B is fourth right. Now if I am placing G here, this is the right side. Okay. This is the right side of G. Fourth right. First right, second right, third right, fourth right. So B is here. B is fourth to the right of G and second to the right of C. Who is second to the right of C? B is second to the right of C. Now this is B is the subject and C is the object here. So we don't know any position. I mean, as of now we didn't place C. So I'm just rewriting the statement. C is second to the left of B. Now I know the position of B, so C is second left. So this is the second left of B. This is the left side. First left is this, second left is this. So that is C. Okay. Now the next one is F is fourth to the right of C. Now we know that right is anti-clockwise direction. F is fourth to the right. First right, second right, third right, fourth right. So F is here. And second to the left of K. Again, who is second to the left of K? F is second to the left of K. Now K is second to the right of F. So K is second to the right of F means K is here. Next, A is fourth to the right of K. So A is fourth right means first right is G, second right is this place, third right is C, fourth right is A. So this is A. D is not an immediate neighbor of either K or B. So D should not come in this place, D should not come in this place. So obviously D should be in this place. Next, H is second to the right of E. Now if I am taking H, obviously I should take E is here, but it says H is second to the right of E. If you take like this, E is second to the right of H, which is wrong. So if that is wrong, obviously we should take H is second to the right of E. So this is H and this is E. So this is the solution. Now the question is, who is fifth to the left of F? Fifth to the left of F. F is clockwise direction. Fifth to the left. First left is E, second left is B, third left is A, fourth left is C, fifth left is D. So answer for this question is D. Who is fifth left of F? Most of you are sending me the answers like C, but it is not C, it is D. Who is fifth left of F? So this is the left side of F. First left is E, second left is B, third left is A, fourth left is C, fifth left is D. Next, who is third to the right of D? Who is third to the right of D? This is the right side of D. First right is C, second right is A, third right is B. And who faces K? Now you tell me who faces K. See, as we have 9 persons here, so who faces K means it can be either B or A. So simply the answer is cannot be determined or can't say. So answer for the last question is can't say because here we have odd number of people. So if we have only even number of people, then you will get the answers for phases questions. If we have an odd number of people, there is no possibility of getting phases. Okay, so this is how you need to solve. So 4 sides and 4 corners. If 2 people each side, they'll clearly say that 2 people each side on a, okay, 2 people each side, they'll clearly say that. Now, A sits sixth to the left of B. Now I am placing object is in the first place, that is B. Sixth left. First left is this, second left is this, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So A is here. A is sixth to the left of B, and who sits? See, after B we have who sits third to the right of F. So which means that B sits third to the right of F. So B third to the right of F. We don't know the position of F, so I am writing F is third to the left of B. So F is third to the left of B means what? F is this place. Next, E sits second to the left of F. E sits second to the left of F means what? E should be here. Next, G is between A and B. So G is between A and B means G is here. C sits immediate left of F. C sits immediate left of F. Who is immediate left of D? Now here, don't be confused. C sits immediate left of F, and after F we have a who is immediate left of D. So who is immediate left of D, which is D. Okay, so F is immediate left of D. So immediate left of D is that, and A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So H is the last one. Okay, so this is the arrangement. So if this is the arrangement, now you can tell me the answers. Who sits second to the left of B? Second to the left of B, answer is C. Next, what's the position of E with respect to H? Position of E with respect to H, so that we can consider as opposite, or you can consider as third right, or you can consider as third left. So better answer is opposite. Okay, so what's the position of E with respect to H? So this is, we can call it as diagonally opposite. Okay, so this we can say diagonally opposite. Next, what's the position of G with respect to C? Position of G with respect to C. First left is E, second left is A, and third left. So this is third left. Next, who sits between E and D? Now here we have two people between E and D. Between E and D, we have two people. Okay, so that is E and D, we have two people, C and F. Next, who is fourth to the left of B? Fourth to the left of B is C. So this is the answers. And we'll go with that circle with outside facing. Okay, so if it is circle with outside facing, see, all are facing outside the center. So if all are facing outside the center, so he is facing north, this person facing north, and this will be the left side. So this is right side, that's left side, and this person faces south. So this is right side, and this is the left side, and this is the right side of him, and this is the right side of him. Okay, and this is the right side of him, and this will be the right side of him. So we can say that right is clockwise, and the left side will be anti-clockwise direction. So that is left, and this is left, and this will be the left. So left is anti-clockwise direction. Now you better write down this circle with outside facing. Okay, if the persons are facing outside the center of the circle, and right is clockwise direction, left is anti-clockwise direction. And when you observe this box, this is as same as directions. So in directions also, we discussed the same thing. Right is clockwise, left is anti-clockwise directions. Okay, now, so this is the point. And this box, the shortcut table box, you need to remember. Okay, see, if these are all facing outside the center, anti-clockwise direction is left, clockwise direction is right. Now see, center facing, left clockwise direction, right anti-clockwise direction, outwards facing or outside the center, which is left anti-clockwise direction, right clockwise direction. So this table I made for you. Okay, just have a look. 6 friends ABCD are sitting in a circle facing outside the center. So if it is outside the center, it will be clearly given. If it is not given, you can simply consider as they are facing center, because that is a default thing. E is to the left side of D. Okay, now I am taking object is here D, and if D faces outside, this will be his left side and this will be his right side, which is right anti-clockwise direction, left anti-clockwise direction. So here E is to the left side of D, which means immediate left. So this is E. C is between A and B. So there is no place for A and B here. Now we'll do that. F is between E and A. So F is between E and A. C is between A and B. This is very simple question. The only complex thing is E is to the left side of D. Now who is second to the right of B? Again, see, placing E is the half of the part, and to answer the question is the remaining half. So who is second to the right side of B? Now B is facing outside, so this is the right side. So who is second to the right of B? A. Next, who is to the left of F? Who is to the left of F? Now you tell me, is this left side? Yes. Who is to the left of F? That is again A. D is between B and E. 6 persons A, B, C, D, E and F. So, I'm facing outside now. Okay. Facing outside. 6 persons are there. First one, what it says, E sits second to the left of A. So I am placing A is here. E sits second to the left of A. So this is the left side of A. E is here. E sits second to the left of A. Next, second to the right of C. Who is second to the right of C? E is second to the right of C. E is second to the right of C means C should be here because this is right side. And when you observe this one, second means what? We should have only one person between A and E. Again, second to the right means what? We should have between one person between E and C. Here it is already occupied by A, no? So obviously the remaining place. Okay, after one place, E that should be goes to C. Next. B is third to the left of A. B is third to the left of A means he is facing outside. B should be here. Next, F sits to the right of A. F sits to the right of A means what? This is F and the remaining place goes to D. That's it. Now the question, who is third to the right of F? Who is third to the right of F? First right is C, second right is B, third right is E. So that will be E. Who is to the left side of B? Left side of B means what? Which is C. A is between F and D.